is up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try on the new stuff from J.W. Anderson Uniqlo Fall Winter Collection. I decided to pick only 4 items from this collection because that's what my budget permits, and I actually did try on some stuff in store, so I'm gonna show that too. Before we start, please press the thumbs up along the way if you happen to be liking this video, and subscribe to my channel to simply help me out. Now that's out of the way, let's begin with the sold out and most anticipated item from this collection is the Souffle yarn gradient sweater. I picked this one up in blue in size medium and large because I wasn't sure about the sizing, but here's what it looks like to me. This is what medium looks like versus what large looks like. So folks, help me out here. Which one should I go for? Medium or large? Quickly drop your vote below and let's dabble down with the feels and the fit of this sweater. Okay, so I'm a big fan of this, the design. Definitely look way better in person. As for the feel or the fabric, it is super soft, it's stretchy, and it seems like it could retain its shapes properly. Non-itchy at all, in which I truly appreciate for wool fabric. It has that relaxed fit and it's pretty long. By the way, I am 5'11" and weighs about 175 pounds. I normally wear medium size on top and I have about a 30-inch waist. So keep that as your reference as we go through this video, okay? Back to the sweater. For the price of $50, I would say it is worth the hype picking up this item. Love the feels, love the design, and the fit is amazing on my body. Next, let's go over my second anticipated item, which is the wide jeans. Also picked this up in blue in size 30. Okay, I was excited about this until trying them on. So let's quickly go over what I like about this jeans. I simply love the true color blue of it. It fits properly around my waist, and the back pockets are deep enough to put my essential. Now, here's what I would say okay or don't like about the wide jeans. The silhouette is okay for me. I feel like I'm still adapting to the wide fit trend, or maybe just this jeans doesn't properly fit. Anyways, what I don't really like about this though are the side pockets. It's pretty tight, and the tightness reminds me back to my old skinny jeans era where putting your essentials was a pain in the ass. Aside from that, my overall thought about this wide jeans is Third on the list, we have the padded quilted blouson. This time I bought this one in olive color in medium size. So for those of you who watched my previous videos about the preview of J.W. Anderson, this item is one of my least anticipated items. I was not a fan of any quilted clothing at all. Now I have this on my hand. I would say I really like the fit of this quilted blouson. It has that oversized fit, very roomy around my waist while keeping me warm. It has an adjustable feature by the waist so you can tighten it up if you want to. Love the side pockets. You can simply put your hand here or go over the button part, so that's a plus feature. It also has an inside pocket too by the left side. I like the corduroy details with the neck color, and it does repel water. For $100, I think this jacket is a good price point. However, as a frugal guy, I think I would rather get this one on sale, probably around $65. And last item that I pick up, we have the pleated wide pants. Decided to pick this one up in beige color in size 30. Okay, for this one, I actually like the look of it on me. Love the silhouette, love the color, and the side pockets are pretty deep, and I also love the details around the back pocket. I know I said this before that I wasn't looking forward to this one because I do own a couple pairs of wide leg pants already, but I feel like I'll be adding this to my collection. Cannot find any downside with this pants, so I would say for $50, definitely worth picking this one up if you are in the market of buying a pair of pleated pants. So yeah, that's the 4 items I bought from the new J.W. Anderson collection, and here's what it looks like when I pair them on. flannels in store, and you can see from here that I actually like those mini checker pattern one in comparison to the traditional patterns. I tried in medium and large, and I think I will go with medium because I think it simply looks good on me. Well, as far as my overall thoughts, I think the new J.W. Anderson collection is pretty solid. Uniqlo did a great job with this collaboration or the drop, but if I'm gonna rank my favorite to my least favorite, here's the list. No doubt that my favorite one is this Souffle yarn sweater. Simply love the softness and the fit of it while maintaining its function, aka keeping me warm. However, the downside that I forgot to mention is that this one requires dry cleaning. So, if you're not a fan of dry cleaning your stuff, don't get this or get this, but carefully wear it. Number 2 on my list, surprisingly, the pleated wide pants. Love the fit and silhouette on me. As I mentioned before, I got no complaints about this pants. So yeah, definitely get this item if they are still available. Third item is the padded quilted blouson, simply because of the fit, but price is still too high for me. And for my least favorite is the wide jeans. I'm slightly disappointed in my opinion with this one because it just didn't feel right for me. Not liking the look, I didn't like the pockets, and it's simply, I don't know, it feels weird wearing it. Well folks, that's my mini haul of the new J.W. Anderson collection from Uniqlo. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if so, quickly let me know which item is your favorite. Comment down below and let me know, and as always, you'll stay safe and stay stylish. You have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.